How to debug node.js using the Eclipse platform. Okay, so first thing we need is to download two plugins into Eclipse. What we do, first we'll download the V8 plugin. This is the URL you'll need to put inside. You'll need to click both of those. Next. As you see, I already have it, but you'll need to do it, and then once it's done, now you'll need to download the Node Eclipse plugin. That is the plugin, the official plugin from Node.js in order to to debug using Eclipse. So again, you'll go to Help, Install New Software. You'll put this URL, and you'll get Node Eclipse. So just like before, you're going to install it into your computer. And then once it's done, you can start debugging Eclipse. I'll show you here how you'll do that. As you see, I have a Node.js project right here. So this is my first JavaScript where I set up the server and where it starts running. So as you see, I'm using Express and I'm using all kinds of other stuff. So you can do also the npm installation through here. You just go debug, npm install, and then it will do the installation for you. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to debug this project. So first of all, I go to the service.js. That is the JavaScript where I start running, as you see, the server here. So now I right click, I go to debug as and node application. You'll notice that now we have this here. Nice. Now that the debugger is listening on port 5858, I need to use my debugger that we downloaded before, the V8 one. So again, I go to service.js, I right click it and go to debug configurations. Here I'll go to the standalone V8. I'll double click it to start a new one. I'll use localhost because this is what I'm using right now, but if you're going to use a remote computer, so you need to put the IP address over there. I'm going to write 5858 because this is where it's running at, as you see, and I'm going to press debug. And as you see, we have the pointer here right now running. So I go down, and as you see here, I have another JavaScript file running under roots called encryption.js. Now, if I want to debug this, then I'll set a breakpoint here. And as you can see on the right here, new configuration, that's the new one that I used, we can see that it's over here. We double click it, and now we can set breakpoints right here. If you'll set breakpoint here, it won't do anything. You need to set it at this file. Alright, now let's see it working. So I'm going to go down, bum 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 bum, and here, as you can see, the request I'm doing is to localhost 3030 crypt, and as you can see, it's going to crypt.start encrypting, and it's right over here. So I'm going to press F8 and let it run, and boom, as you can see, it's right here running. So in order again to debug, this is your virtual project right here. This is all the JavaScript files that you can debug on, but you can only debug it from there. Don't do the mistake that everyone does and go to the original JavaScript file. You need to go to the JavaScript file that is right here. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and also you can follow me on Twitter. Enjoy!